Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're covering something that anyone moving to, investing in, or even just doing business in Portugal absolutely needs: the NIF number. It's quick to get, it's straightforward, and once you understand the process, there's really nothing to stress about. So let's break it down. The NIF stands for Número de Identificação Fiscal, basically your Portuguese tax identification number. It's a unique 9-digit code issued by the Portuguese tax authority, known as Finanças. And the reason it matters is that you'll be asked for it constantly. Opening a bank account, signing a rental contract, buying property, setting up internet or electricity, starting a job, all of it requires your NIF. Without it, you simply can't function in Portugal's system. Now, how you get your NIF depends on two things: whether you're an EU or EEA citizen and you're already in Portugal, or applying from abroad. If you're an EU or EEA citizen and you're already in Portugal, the process is completely free and genuinely simple. You book an appointment at your nearest Finanças office. You can do this through the Portal de las Finanças website or by calling their helpline at 217-206-707. On the day of your appointment, you bring your passport or national ID card and proof of your address, something like a bank statement or a utility bill showing your name and address. That's it. You sit down with a staff member, hand over your documents, and your NIF is issued to you on the spot, usually within 10 minutes. If you're a non-EU citizen, and this applies to people coming from countries like the US, Canada, India, Brazil, or anywhere outside the EU, you are required by law to appoint what's called a fiscal representative. This is simply a person or company based in Portugal who acts as your point of contact with the tax authority. It can be a lawyer, an accountant, or a specialized service. Once you've appointed a representative, they handle the application on your behalf, and you receive your NIF by email within about 3 to 10 business days. The good news is that you don't need to be physically in Portugal for this process at all. There are several well-established online services that handle NIF applications entirely remotely. Companies like Border, Anchorless, and eResidence.com allow you to upload your passport and proof of address online, sign a power of attorney digitally, and receive your NIF without ever leaving your home country. Costs typically range from around 70 to 150 euro, depending on the service and how fast you need it. If you want to compare options, it's worth checking a couple of providers before committing. A few practical things worth knowing. First, your NIF never expires. Once you have it, it's yours permanently. Second, when you get your NIF, make sure you also get your login credentials for the Portal de las Finanças, which is the official online tax portal. You'll need this to manage your taxes and receive official communications from the government. Third, don't confuse the NIF with the NIS. The NIS is your social security number and serves a completely different purpose. You'll need the NIF first, and then the NIS only becomes relevant when you start working in Portugal. And one last thing. If you're a non-EU citizen and you eventually become a legal resident of Portugal, you can update your NIF registration and drop the fiscal representative requirement entirely. So it's a temporary step, not a permanent cost. That's genuinely everything you need to know. The NIF sounds complicated, but it really isn't. It's one of the easier bureaucratic steps in the Portugal journey. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.